A very tasty recipe made with milk and Nutella. Take a small saucepan. Pour 600 grams of milk. Dissolve 10 grams of agar-agar powder in the milk. Stir and let stand for 15 minutes. Put on low heat. Add 380 grams of Nutella to the milk and stir well. Cook for a few minutes, stirring constantly. The color of the milk should change. Pour into a heatproof mold. Let cool to room temperature, and then keep in the refrigerator until completely solidified. After hardening, transfer to a convenient dish. Cut into serving pieces. Enjoy the amazing flavor. Bon appétit!